Good evening to everyone. Ako na lang mo message kay Lawon, kay ni wala gani dance kay siya manayong ang duha parehas di ka mao manayong muratag duha basta ang mga bisita daw mag-walk out. So mo na wala siya ni advice nga mag-dance during duha. So everyone, good evening. First and foremost, a heartfelt thank you to God for allowing this union. We also want to express our sincere gratitude for joining us and enjoying our special day and for making it one. We will never forget this. The love and the affection we felt on this very special day have been strengthened by your presence at our wedding. On this day, we were certainly aware of your love for us. We also appreciate our parents for always being so encouraging to us. To my thoughtful brother-in-law and my sister, Kaparan Apura Kurt, who have exemplified what it takes to establish a happy marriage. I would like to take this opportunity to thank to my friends and family who traveled great distances to attend this sacred occasion. There is no need for a gift. Your presence is more than enough for us. However, thank you everyone for all your gifts. Thank you to all friends who came. I appreciate it, family and friends. And last but certainly not the least, to my charming and loving husband, who has loved me for almost 5 years as her girlfriend, for 9 years during our civil marriage, and now I am excited for another additional years as we celebrate our church wedding today. It has been a fantastic journey and I feel happier each day that passes by because of our constant love and care. Everyone, thank you very much for attending this celebration. Thank you.